these symptoms while taking or after stopping Chantix. Talk to your doctor about any history of depression or other mental health problems which may worsen while taking Chantix. Tell your doctor which medicines you're taking, as they may work differently when you quit smoking. Chantix dosing may be different if you have problems. The most common side effect is fever. Patients often reported trouble sleeping and vivid and very strange dreams. Until you know how Chantix affects you.
Hiccup.
He got too worked up.
Did you tape?